Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the sound modes on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper button. After that, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have this icon with the speaker on it. That's the sound mode icon. And to change the sound mode, you simply tap on this icon like this, and you can keep tapping on this icon to toggle between different sound modes. We have sound, vibrate, and mute, basically silent mode. You can also change the modes by using the settings, so let's open the settings by tapping the settings icon. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration, tap on it, and here, as you can see, we have category sound mode, and we can change the mode by simply tapping on it, selecting it, like that. There's also another way to change the sound modes. To do it, we can use the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here, open the Galaxy Wearable app on our phone, scroll down, tap on watch settings, and here we have sound and vibration, tap on it. As you can see, here we have list of modes we can select, like this. And once you're done, simply go back. And that's how you change the sound modes on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.